Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, we're going to read this sweet little story called Nat the Cat Can Sleep Like That. No, I hear a lot of rhyming words. Nat, cat, and that. They all have the at sound at the end. Morning comes with hum and hurry, clatter, patter, scramble, scurry. So I heard hurry and scurry. They both have the "urry" sound at the end. Those are rhyming words. I heard clatter and patter. Those are rhyming words. Running feet and banging door. Honking, wait, is that a snore? So I heard door and snore. Those words rhyme. Who could sleep through all of that? Who would sleep? It's Nat the Cat. So on the last page we had the word that, then we had Nat and cat. Those are all rhyming words as well. Nat can sleep in dresser drawers or in front of bedroom doors. Drawers and doors sound the same. They are rhyming words. Under blankets, on a stair, upside down in someone's, what is this? This is going to be the rhyming word. Chair. Good. Nat the cat can sleep like that. Wow. In a basket, safe and snug, or where sunbeams warm the rug. Good. Curled inside a cooking pot, hidden in a secret spot. Good. Pot and spot rhyme. Nat the cat can sleep like that. Flopping halfway off a shelf, folded over on himself. Shelf and himself rhyme. With his paws all tucked inside or with limbs flung open wide. Nat the cat can sleep like that. So I see inside and wide. Those are rhyming words that I hear. But when the lights are all turned out, when there's no one else about, out and about, when the nighttime quiet falls, when strange shadows fill the halls, so falls and halls, when the wind is whoosh and shush, when the darkness murmurs hush, when the house is wrapped up in dreams, when stars wink and moonlight gleams, so dreams and gleams are rhyming words. Nat the cat can't ever, ever, ever sleep through that. That's sweet. That is so silly. He's a busy little kitty cat. Bye, guys.